Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick head-to-head comparison review about these two gaming Linux distro, which is Nobara Linux and Bazzite. So let's quickly dive into it. Nobara Linux in 2025 is a Fedora-based distro built for gamers, preloaded with Nvidia drives, Proton GE and Wine Tweak with OBS and codec, so you can start gaming right away. It's stable, user-friendly, and save time by removing the need for manual setup. The trade-off is slower update compared to the Bleeding Edge distro, and it doesn't offer the same level of performance using as Arch-based option. Bazzite, on the other hand, is an emerging gaming distro built for Fedora Silver Blue with an emulatable design, giving it rock-solid stability and easy rollback. It comes preloaded with gaming essentials like Steam, Lutris, and emulator, making it strong plug and play choice. However, its newness means a smaller community and a fewer resource more than established distro. So in conclusion, Nobara is the safer pick for hassle-free gaming, while Bazzite is better if you want a modern future-proof setup. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.